Welcome to Onshape. Today we're going to learn how to use the trim and extend tools. They're up here in your toolbar next to fillet, and they're either going to look like the pair of scissors or the line that could be extending, kind of a ghost extension, or the arc with the dot in the middle of it is for split, but we're going to get into split later. For now, we're just going to focus on trim and extend. I'm going to start with trim. So I've got a object here that I've already drawn. And I've got my rectangle with a rounded corner that I worked on earlier. I've got another shape coming off the side, and this line here, this 3-inch line, is coming right through the side of this object. Well, let's assume I wanted that to actually stop at this line instead, and I had to go too far for some reason, either to create another point to measure from for some other part of my drawing, or I've changed my mind. So what I'm going to do with the trim tool already selected is click, and wherever it crosses, you can already see it highlighting just this part of it. Wherever it crosses another line is where it's going to get trimmed off. So if I click, that gets trimmed away. The opposite of trim is to extend something that is too short. So I'm just going to switch over to extend here, and what I'm going to do is just click on the line that is too short and then drag it in the direction. And notice I don't have to stay directly on it with my mouse. Drag it in the direction I want to go and click when I'm happy. So I'm going to click on that point right there, and I can see this little icon that shows up saying I am at a perpendicular point. So click, and that line has been extended. Trim and extend both work for lots of different objects. Try them out, see what happens. I'm just going to quickly throw a circle in here that crosses several things, just like that, and do a little bit of trimming. I'll get rid of this whole outside edge. You can see it trimmed from there to there. I'll get rid of this little point here that crosses over, and maybe this little point right here, and just leave those other parts. Who knows, maybe I wanted them to be there. In fact, I'm going to press escape. I'm going to select this one and delete it, and I'm going to use this and extend some parts of this back out. So I'm going to choose extend. I'm going to click my arc and start pulling the line. You can see it grows right back again, and we can put it back right to where it was. All right, and that's how you're going to use trim and extend in an Onshape 2D sketch.